So here, exercise 2C from new syllabus 1, 6th edition. The question says evaluate the following. Question number A, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So how can you solve it? Look, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 will be minus 3. Okay. So minus 3 minus into minus plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Okay. Very simple one. Now question number B. Question number B says minus 4 minus 2 minus 5 will be minus 3. So we can write minus 4 minus into minus plus 3. So answer will be minus 1. Now, question number C. Question number C says minus 6 minus into minus, that will be plus 3 minus 1. So minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3 minus 1, and that is actually minus 4. Okay. Now, question number D. Question number D says 4 minus into minus plus 4 plus 9 minus 5. So what is 4 plus 9? 4 plus 9 is 13. So 13 minus 5 will be 8. Now question number E. Question number E says minus 2 minus into minus plus 6 minus 3. So minus 2 plus 6 will be 4. 4 minus 3 will be 1. And that is the solution from A to E. Now question number F. Question number F, very simple one. 5 minus 7 minus into minus plus 10. So we can write 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 will be minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 plus 10 will be plus 8. Question number G. G says 4 minus into minus plus 8 minus 6 minus into minus plus 11. Okay. So 4 plus 8 will be 12 minus 6 plus 11. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 plus 11 will be 17. Okay. Now question number H. Question number H says minus 12. At first we need to remove the bracket. Minus 7. Minus into minus plus 9. Minus 3. So minus 12 minus 7 is minus 19 plus 9 minus 3. So minus 19 plus 9 will be minus 10 minus 3. So minus 10 minus 3 will be minus 13. Very simple. Now question number I. I says 15 minus 20. What is 15 minus 20? That is minus 5 minus 13 minus 32. Look, all signs are same. Minus 5, minus 13, minus 2, minus 32. So we need to add them. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Have 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 15. And that is the solution of question number 1. Now, the question says find the values of the following expression. So how can you solve number A? First, we need to remove the bracket. So minus 12. Minus into minus plus 24 plus into minus minus 36. Here minus 12 plus 24 will be plus 12 minus 36. So 12 minus 36 will be minus 24. So that is the answer of question number A. Now question number B. Question number B says minus 40 plus 15. Minus 40 plus 15 will be minus 25 minus 27 plus 11. Minus 25 minus 27. So we can write it will be minus 52. Both are negative. So we have to add them. Plus 11. Then what will be the final answer? 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So answer will be negative 41. Now question number C. Question number C says minus 5 minus 6. From this bracket, we can write it to be minus 11. Minus 15 minus 5 will be 10. So minus 11 minus 10 will be minus 21. Simple. Now question number D. Question number D says minus 324 plus 12. So minus 324 plus 12 will be minus 312 minus 56. Now we need to add them. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. And minus 3. So answer will be minus 368. Now question number E. Question number E. At first we need to remove the first bracket. So here we will get minus 2 plus into minus minus 10 minus 15 plus into minus minus 20. So here minus 2 minus 10 will be minus 12. Here minus 15 minus 20 will be minus 5. So minus 12 minus into minus plus 5. So minus 12 plus 5 will be minus 7. And this is the solution from question number A to question number E. Now question number F. Question number F, we need to remove the brackets. So here 146 minus into minus plus 200 plus into minus minus 100 minus 150. So 146 plus 200 will be 346. And minus 100 minus 150 will be minus 250. Now we need to subtract. So 6 minus 0 will be 6. 4 minus 5, that means 14 minus 5 will be 9. So 96 will be the answer of question number F. Now question number G. Question number G says minus 176 plus into minus will be minus 123. Minus into minus will be plus 167 plus 103. Now here minus 176 minus 123. Both are negative, so we need to add them. 6 plus 3 will be 9. 2 plus 7 will be 9. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Plus 7 plus 3 is 10. We have 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. Now, minus 299 plus 270. Answer will be minus 29. Simple. Now, question number 8. Question number 8 says minus 14 plus 26 minus 37 minus 45 plus 56 minus 67 minus 71. So, we can solve in this way. Minus 14 plus 26. Minus 14 plus 26. That means it will be plus 12. Simple. Minus 37 minus 45. Both are negative, so we can add them. 5 plus 7, 12. We have 1. So 5 plus 3, 8. Now we can do this one. 56 minus 67. So here it will be 7 minus 6, 1. And 6 minus 5 will be 1. So 56 minus 67 will be minus 11. Minus 71. Again, 12 minus 82, that will be minus 70. Minus 11 minus 71 will be minus 82. Okay. So minus 70 minus 82 will be minus 152. Last question, question number I. Question number I says 19 minus 27, that will be minus 8. 34 plus 43 will be 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Minus 58 minus 66. So here 6, 58. So it will be minus 6 plus 8 is 14. We have 1. 7 plus 5, 12. And minus 76 plus 81 will be plus 5. Simple. Now, minus 8 plus 77 will be 69. Minus 124 plus 5. Now, we can do in this way. 9, 69 minus 1, 2, 4. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. We have 1, 7. So it will be 5, 12 plus 5. So minus 55 plus 5 will be minus 50. And that is the solution of exercise 2C from New Syllabus 1, 6th edition.